Hey everybody, this is Scott with Integrity. I'm going to show you how to enable Hyper-V. So Windows comes with a built-in virtual machine software or a hypervisor called Hyper-V. I really like it. It's a great platform for building virtual machines and also just for playing around, testing things. Because otherwise you're going to have to pay for a VMware, or you could use VirtualBox, but I don't like it as much. But by default, it's not turned on. I also think you need Windows Pro. I don't think it comes with Windows Home. I could be wrong, but I think it's only on Pro and above. So what you can do is just hit your Windows key. So you search and type Windows features, and you'll have this come up. It's okay. You can do that. It's okay. My wife's making me a margarita right now, so I'm also talking to her. Thanks, babe. All right. So when you type this in, it'll say turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and open that. And it will open up this. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of features that come with Windows that aren't on by default. Another good one is the Telnet client, which is also in here. Now, I recently reinstalled Windows on this laptop, and so Hyper-V isn't enabled. You see it right here? Bam. So just check it. Actually, while I'm in here, I'm also going to turn on Telnet. Oh, wait, I think I actually already turn Telnet client on. Actually, while you're in here, you can kind of look through all this stuff and just kind of maybe familiarize yourself with what's here. You can also basically turn your computer into something of a more legit print server. But let's stay on point. So Hyper-V, check the main box, click OK, and it's going to do a little work for a minute. And then when it's done, it's going to say that you need to restart your computer for this to even be enabled. So this will be done in just a moment. And then once you restart the computer, all you have to do is search for Hyper-V, and you'll bring up an app. I believe it's called a Hyper-V Manager. And you can, see right here. I'm going to say don't restart because I don't want to do that right now. But all you have to do at that point is just search for like Hyper-V, and it'll come up. It's like the icon's this green icon. It's super fun. Out on my other computer in my garage, like my main command center, I have a whole lab with a domain controller, a remote desktop server, a Windows Server Core VM, a Windows 10 Enterprise client. It's really handy because you can create Linux VMs, old operating system VMs, new operating system VMs that you want to test or just screw around with. It's really fun. It's totally free, and it's way legit. I mean, it's enterprise quality, although at the enterprise level, a lot of people use VMware. So that's how you enable Hyper-V.